Converting fiat to crypto on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you need to create an account on Crypto.com and go through the verification process. This involves providing identification documents and proof of address to comply with Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. Once your account is verified, you can deposit fiat currency into your Crypto.com account. To do this, navigate to the Accounts page and select the fiat currency you want to deposit. You can use a variety of payment methods including bank transfer, credit card, and debit card. Enter the amount you want to deposit and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. After your fiat deposit has been processed, you can convert it to crypto. To do this, navigate to the trade page and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount of fiat you want to spend and the system will automatically calculate the amount of crypto you will receive. Review the transaction details and confirm the trade. It is essential to note that the price of crypto can fluctuate rapidly. So the price you see when you initiate the trade may not be the same as the price when the trade is executed. Additionally, there may be fees associated with the transaction, including trading fees and withdrawal fees. To get the best value for your money, it is recommended that you use the Crypto.com exchange, which offers competitive pricing and low fees. You should also make sure you understand the risks associated with investing in crypto and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, converting fiat to crypto on Crypto.com is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and being aware of the risks and fees associated with the transaction, you can easily buy and sell crypto on the Crypto.com platform.